students, let us continue with the next problem. That is problem number 2 given at the page number 37 of exercise 1.5 in our material. This is the problem number 58. If ax square plus bx plus c is divided by x plus 3, the remainder is 21. And if it is divided by x minus 5, the remainder is 61. And the same thing is divided by x minus 1, then the remainder is 9. These informations are given. From these informations, you have to find the values of a, b, c by Gaussian elimination method. Whenever you want to use Gaussian elimination method, means we need a system of linear equations. Therefore, first of all, you have to frame the linear equations based on this data. Now here the reminders are given. Once again, I'll remind what you have studied in 10th standard as remainder theorem. See, if you consider this p of x is a polynomial, if you divide this p of x by a linear binomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. If you divide p of x by x minus a, it should be linear x minus a, then the remainder can be obtained by substituting x equal to a in this p of x. For example, x minus a equal to 0 means you can take x equal to a. This x value can be substituted in p of x, then you will be getting a constant value. That value can be considered as the remainder. That is, this is the remainder theorem already you have studied. Okay. Now, based on this concept, first we can frame the equations. Before that, this is the given polynomial. Therefore, we can assume this as p of x. Let p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now this is given polynomial. If you divide this p of x by x plus 3, divide p of x by x plus 3, then the remainder is p of minus 3. X plus 3 means x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3, p of minus 3. This is given as 21. This is given as 21. That is, we need to find the value of p of minus 3 that can be equated to 21. Therefore, in this p of x, we substitute x equal to minus 3 means a into minus 3 the whole square plus b into minus 3 plus c equal to 21. Now, if you simplify, you can get 9a minus 3b plus c equal to 21. Now, this is the linear equation of the variables a, b, c. Likewise, we have two more information. Similarly, we can find the other two equations. See, if you divide this p of x by x minus 5, the remainder is p of 5. X minus 5 means p of 5, which is given as 61. Therefore, in this polynomial p of x, you substitute x equal to 5. Therefore, you can a into 5 square. 5 square 25. Then you can write 25a. Then you have to substitute x equal to 5. Then 5b plus c equal to 61. Now this is the second equation. Now we can go for the third equation, means that is, you have to divide p of x by x minus 1. Then the remainder is 9. That is p of x minus 1 means x equal to 1. P of 1 is equal to 9 is given. Now we substitute x equal to 1 in this polynomial, then that can be equated to 9. Therefore, if you substitute 1, you can get 1 square 1 into a plus 1, x value 1. That is, you can get b, then plus c equal to 9. Now we got 3 equations. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Now these 3 equations can be solved by Gaussian elimination method. Therefore, first of all, we have to find the augmented matrix. The the augmented matrix is just to correct the coefficients. So here the variables are A, B, C. Now first one is 9, then minus 3, 1, then you can write 21. Then second row 25, then 5, 1, 5, 1, which is equal to 61. The third row 1, 1, 1, the remainder is 9. Now this is the augmented matrix A given me. Yes. Now this we need to bring into row echelon form. Means it is better to keep the first row, first column element as 1. Then only it is easy to bring into echelon form. Now here we have 1. Therefore we can interchange R1 and R3. Now we are interchanging R1 and R3. So you can write 1, 1, 1, 9. Then second row as it is 25, 5, 1, 61. Third row you can replace by first row. That is 9, minus 3, 1, 21. Now after making this as 1, you have to make these two elements 0 using elementary transformations. Therefore, we are not going to disturb the first row. Therefore, write the first row as it is 1, 1, 1, 9. See, second row means first you can write R2. Then these two have same symbol. They have to put a minus. This is 25 means this must be multiplied by 25. Therefore, you can write 25 times R1. 25 times R1. Therefore, as a rough you can multiply first this you can write 25, 25, then 5, then 1, 61. Then you multiply this by 25, you can get 25, this also 25, again 25, 25 into 9 gives 225. Then you have to subtract. While subtracting, 25 minus 25 gives 0. Then 5 minus 25 gives minus 20. Then 1 minus 25 gives minus 24. Then 61 minus 225 gives minus 164. Minus 164. Now next after that you have to make this R3. Okay, R3 gives R3. Here also same say you can put minus. This is 9 means this must be divided by 9. Therefore 9 times R1. First divide this one 9. This is therefore 9 minus 3 1 21. Then if you multiply this 9 you can get 9 9 9. This is 81. You have to subtract. 9 minus 9 gives 0. Minus 3 minus 9 gives minus 12. Then 1 minus 9 gives minus 8. Then 21 minus 81 gives minus 16. Now after that you have to make this as 0. Means since this can be simplified. All these elements are divisible by 4. Here also everyone is divisible by 4. Therefore you can divide R2 and R3 by 4 to make our work easy. First write the first row as it is 1, 1, 1, 9. The second row and the third row are divided respectively by 4. R2 gives R2 by, even if you want to multiply divide by minus 4, by minus 4. Minus 4. Similarly, R3 gives R3 by minus 4. Then you can divide 0. This is minus 20 by minus 4 means 5. Then this is 6. This is 41. 41. Now next, if you divide this by 3, you can get 0. This is 3. This is 2. And this is 15. Okay. Then after that, make this element as 0. Therefore, we can write the first two rows as it is. Therefore, this is equivalent to first row is 1, 1, 1, 9. Second row 0, 5, 6, 41. Then third row you have to make 0 means R3 gives See here, these two do not have any common factor. Therefore, you have to take LCM. That is, this is to be multiplied by 3 and this is to be multiplied by 5. Generally, you can make these two are equal. If you want to make this, means you have to use only its previous row element. Okay. Therefore, this is multiplied by 5. That is 5 times R3 minus 3 times R2. Why? Because they have same sign. Therefore, 5 times R3, first you multiply this R3 by 5. That is, you can get 0. Then 5 3s are 15. Then 5 2s are 10. Then 5 into 15, 75. Now you have to multiply this by 3. This is 0. Then 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. Then 3 into 41, 123. Now you have to subtract. By subtracting, this 0. 15 minus 15 gives 0. 10 minus 18 gives minus 8. And if you subtract this one, you will be getting 48 minus 48. Minus 48. Now we have brought into which form? Row echelon form. A given the augmented matrix now is in row echelon form. See here, this is in L form. Okay, after that we have to write the equations based on this last row echelon form. See here, this is the variable A, this is variable B, this is variable C. Therefore, you can write A plus B plus C equal to 9. Then you can write 0A plus 5B plus 6C equal to 41. Then third row is 0A plus 0B minus 8C is equal to minus 48. Now have this equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now from this equation you can get the C value directly. C equal to minus getting cancel. 48 by 8 gives 6. Therefore C value equal to 6. Now the C value can be substituted in equation number 2. Therefore equation number 2 implies 5B C equal to 6 plus 6 6 are 36 equal to 41. Now this implies you can say B is equal to, that is 5B equal to 41 minus 36 equal to 5. 5B equal to 5 means B equal to 1. Then similarly equation number 1 implies we are going to replace these values in equation number 1. A value you have to find, therefore you can write A plus what is B value? 1. Then what is C value? 6 plus 6 equal to 9. Now from this the value of A we can obtain as 1 plus 6 7. If goes that side, 9 minus 2. So A equal to 2 you can get. A equal to 2. Now these are the values of ABC. After finding these values ABC, now we can rewrite this equation. The question is you have to find the values of ABC only, or see here, find the values of ABC. That's all. The solution is over. Therefore, the solution is A, B, C, which is equal to A value equal to 2, B value equal to 1, C value equal to 6. That's all. Likewise, we can write the solution. Okay, now let us see the next problem. Problem number 4, given at the page number 37 of exercise 1.5 in our materials, problem number 16. Now, the problem is a boy is walking along the path y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c through the points minus 6, 8, minus 2, minus 12 and 3, 8. Now, he wants to meet his friend at the point P 7, 60. The question is, will he meet his friend? Use Gaussian elimination method. B. Boy is walking through this parabolic path and its equation is given y equal to a square plus bx plus c. Now, these points minus 6 comma 8, minus 2 comma 12, 3 comma 8 are lying on this parabola, means definitely these 3 points will satisfy this equation. Now we want to check whether he wants to meet the friend at P 7 comma 16 means we have to check whether this point 7 comma 16 is also satisfying this equation. Therefore, whenever you substitute this as x, this y means first of all you should know the scalars a, b and c. Therefore, first you have to find these three values like the previous problem. Therefore, first we can form the linear equations, then we can use the Gaussian elimination method. Therefore, first here this is equation number 1 you can take. Therefore, equation number 1 using 1. Using equation number 1, first at this point at minus 6 comma 8. Now this is x value, this is y value. Now you have to substitute x as minus 6 here. You can write minus 6 whole square is 36. You can write 36a, then minus 6b plus c equal to y. Y value is 8. Now we can go for second point at minus 2 comma minus 12. Minus 2 comma minus 12 means first we substitute x equal to minus 2. Minus 2 square means 4. You can write 4a. Then minus 2b plus c equal to y. The y value is minus 12. Next we can go for the third point at 3 comma 8. 3 comma 8. X value 3, y value 8 means x equal to 3 means we can 3 square 9, we can write 9a, then plus 3b plus c equal to y, y equal to 8. Now we got the three equations. Yes, with these three equations we have to find the values of a, b, c by using Gaussian elimination method. If you want to use this Gaussian elimination method means we need to write the augmented matrix first. Therefore, first we can write augmented matrix. The augmented matrix is, here the variables are a, b, c. Just to attach them, you can get a, b. This is augmented matrix which is equal to first row 36, then minus 6, then 1, then you can write 8. Then second row 4, minus 2, 1, minus 12. Third row is 9, 3, 1 and 8. Now, we can bring this into row echelon form. For that, first try to make this element as 1 means have to divide through by 36. It is not possible. And also here also we don't have number 1. Therefore, you cannot interchange. Therefore, first we can see here this is 36. The multiples of 4 and 9 is 36. Therefore, we can keep this 36 as such. We can easily make these two elements 0. Therefore, you can write equivalently. We are going to make these two only 0. Therefore, write the first row as it is. You can write 36, then minus 6, then 1, then 8. Then after that second row you have to make 0 means R2 gives, this is 36, this is bigger, this is smaller, therefore this one you have to make as 36. Therefore you can write 9 and 4s are 36. You can write 9 times R2 minus R1. You can write 9 times R2 minus R1. Likewise, this R3 gives, here 9 is there, you have to make this 36, you have to be 4. Therefore, 4 times R3 minus R1 you can write. Therefore, first we can make the first one. 9 times R2 means 9 4s are 36. Then 9 2s are 18. Then 9. Then 9 into minus 12 minus 108. Then you can write this one 36 minus 6 1 then 8. Then you try to subtract. 36 minus 36 gives 0. Minus 18 minus of minus 6 plus 6 gives minus 12. 9 and minus 1 gives 8. Minus 108 minus 8 gives minus 116. Next, you can go for this one. First, you have to multiply this by 4. You can write 4 9s are 36, 4 3s are 12, 4 into 1 gives 4, 4 8s are 32. Then you write this one 36, then minus 6, then 1, 8. Then if you subtract 36 minus 36 gives 0. 12 minus of minus 6 gives plus 6, you can get 18. Then 4 minus 1 gives 3. Then 32 minus 8 gives 24. Now again, these are very large numbers and also this is divided by 4 and this can divided by 3. Therefore you can make simplify. First row you can write as such 36 minus 6 1 8. Second row R2 can be divided by minus 2 or minus 4 or plus 4. 4 to divide by minus 4 is you can put minus 4. Then you can get 0. Minus by minus plus 12 by give 4 gives 3. Then 8 by minus 4 gives minus 2. Then minus 116 minus 4 means minus 29 you can say. Minus 29 plus 29 you can say. Minus by minus gives plus. Therefore you can write next R3 gives R3 by all are multiples of 3. Therefore you can divide by 3. This gives 0. 18 by 3 gives 6. Then 3 by 3 gives 1. Then 24 by 3 gives 8. Now, after that, we have to make this as 0. Therefore, you can write the first two rows as it is. That is 36 minus 6, 1, 8. 0, 3, minus 2, 29. Then R3 gives. See, among these two, this is larger. Therefore, you can multiply this by 2. Therefore, you can write R3 as it is. R3, then minus 2 times R2. 2 times R2. Therefore, if you do this one, see here, first you have to multiply this R2 by 2. Therefore, you can write first this is 6. So, right here 6, 0, 6, 1, 8. Then this is divided by 2. Then you can write 0, 6, minus 4. Then 29 into this one 58. Then after that you have to subtract. 0 minus 0 gives 0. 6 minus 6 gives 0. 1 minus of minus 4 plus 4 gives 5. Then 8 minus 58 gives minus 50. Minus 50. Now this is in row echelon form. Equation number 1 gives y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now y is equal to a value is 1, you can write x square plus bx, b equal to 3 plus you can write 3x, then plus c value minus 10. We got this one. Therefore this is the equation of his path where he is walking. Now after that you have to check whether he is meeting the friend at the point P7, 60. Now you have to check whether this point P7, 60 is satisfying this equation or not. Therefore, we can say at this point P7, 60. I think so. At 7, 60. Now you can take this as x value, this is y value. Now you can take this as equation number 4. Therefore, equation number 4 gives, see, y value is 60. And 60 equal to x value 7 square 49, then 3 7s are 21, plus 21, then minus 10. Now we can say 60 is equal to 21 minus 10 equal to 11. 49 plus 11 gives 60. You can say LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, you can say this point P 7, 60 satisfies the equation number 4. Therefore, we can say he can meet his friend at the point P 7, 60. Okay. Yes. Likewise, we have one more example sum that you can take as homework. That is, instead of this points, the speed is given. Now look at this one, homework. You can take 1.28. This is example given at the page number 36 in our material. This is problem number 61. Problem number 61. Now this is for your homework. Likewise, you try to complete this exercise. Okay. Now we have one more problem, that problem number 3 we will see later. Okay. Till that we will try to practice all these problems in the next class. We are going to see the another concept called consistency of linear equations. That we will see in the next class. Till then, we try to practice. Thank you, children.